Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. The unique shape of this stadium makes it a spectacular sight. The strains of the national anthem of Brazil. Got the juices flowing, and now this. This is always a game of consequence.
Well, I for one don't think that just because there's nothing resting on it, Peter, a game can lose its edge, and certainly not when you're facing opponents like this. So I hope the players will approach this with real professionalism.
There's the whistle. So, Jim, tell me this. And Martinez! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
Oh, it was such a clever pass that flummoxed the defence, and it could well be revisited, this.
Danilo gets his pass away. And that's... He's got the shot away! And he's there to get it away. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Gets away from his opponents. Can he latch on to this? Climbs up big! Alex Telles can get it clear. Rodrigo. Gabriel Jesus. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. He's gone for goal! A real chance and a real let-off.
It was very much worth a try, and I've seen worse. That should tee him up nicely for his next attempt at least.
Sends it forward. Can he get onto this? Calmly anticipates. Martinez sends that a long way. No, that's been intercepted. Rodrigo. Ball is over the line.
Brazil really are pushing their fullbacks forward now.
Aiming to do what?
Well, it's a case of engage.
There's the hit! Lucas Paqueta. Gabriel Jesus. Rodrigo. Swept in. Looking for the runner.
Looks a good ball through.
Neymar! It's run loose. Who's going to get there?
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of possibility.
Move forward and quickly so. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Alvarez. Good spot. He's seen the run. Fiddles it through. Martinez. Good read. Needed to be. Romero spots it and intercepts. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. And he cuts out the supply. Danilo. Looking for options for movement. Acuna. Passes short and sharp. Shot could be on. He's going to be disappointed with that. Danilo. Rodrigo. He's a sharp little ball here. A real chance to break. Played out to the left flank. Cleared away. He tries a shot! Shot a goal! Oh, he's really drilled it. Oh, that's well spotted. Defender's on the back foot. Danilo. Now Neymar. Gabriel Jesus. It's Gabriel Jesus! Same again, same outcome.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
Argentina can start a counter here. And it's lofted through here. Oh, that was vital. Danilo gives his colleague a guilty look.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
It's Alex Telles. It'll be a throw-in. De Paul. Oh, it's come loose. De Paul pinches it off him. Vinicius Junior. Neymar. Now there's a fine ball. And they can counter here. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
And it's played forward.
Well,
and the first 45 minutes are up. Well, there it is, half-time. Not a bad watch by any means. And the efforts of both sides have been good, but neither have been able to penetrate. And so we reach the break, and the game remains goalless. Reflections on the first half?
well, I think despite the scoreline, it's been watchable and enjoyable. We certainly had a vibrant start, and if we were going to see a goal, it should have come then. But the odds are favourable for this second half.
So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. And the game has already resumed here.
At least there's always a plus side to a scoreless half. Defences are doing what they should, and it's going to take good imagination to break the deadlock here.
Di Maria.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
Martinez. And that is a little undercooked. That has been cut short. Looks to go up and over. Vinicius Junior! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Good. And the shot! their second corner now. Argentina can counter promptly here. That's a nicely weighted pass. Well, that's beautifully weighted. Oh, that's a key interception. Now then, the ball's come loose. Not offside that time. Interesting ball. Gabriel Jesus. Loose pass, and they could be in. Long ball by the goalkeeper. Referee's given a throw. Shifted upfield. Danilo. Rodrigo. Wriggles his way through.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
It's been drilled in. Molina gets good distance on it.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
Moved on forwards. Oh, that is asking for trouble. He's had a shot! It's in!
They'll kick themselves if that doesn't turn out to be the clincher. What a time to score.
There was no getting to that. No getting to it at all. Expertly done.
No other outcome there. That was bang in the corner. Unstoppable.
Argentina have their opener. It is a goal of real significance.
Because of that first goal now, it's a great opportunity to make it one-way traffic and add to this lead. Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
This is a really front-footed approach.
You know, the interest value in this game might just take off from here.
Look at the... and the shot! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as test goalkeeper, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
He's gone looking for safety. Di Maria is flagged offside.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Acuna gets across to intercept that. And it's Messi. Oh, good ball, and this looks promising. And a finish! He should have put that one away.
Di Maria has reacted in utter shock here. For him, the keeper has pulled off the impossible.
Argentina, corner number 2 then. Defence has got rid of that. Di Maria. He's going for goal! Oh no, that could be a costly miss.
Acuna really did let them off the hook. They could have wrapped it all up.
Martinez. And that has put paid to that. Casemiro. Gently done. Forwards and with intent. Nicely intercepted. And it's Di Maria. Argentina have it back and they can go again. Rodrigo threads one in. Well read, nice interception. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. It's run loose here.
Argentina probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Vinicius Junior. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Big chance! Now, who's going to be first to this? He's done very well to get to that.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Desperate defending required here. Cleared without complication. Casemiro. And here's Neymar. Looking... Oh, shooting chance! Oh, it's in! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
So all square with almost no time remaining. Interesting ball. That's it, we're going to get 30 minutes more.
Well, we can only hope we get an extra time contest of similar ambition, provided fatigue doesn't begin to play a part.
So all square, we need a winner, and we will be back for extra time. The hostilities have already resumed. Argentina pay the price for failing to close out the match in normal time. Can they avoid the same fate here, where the consequences are still more serious? And it's Messi. Now the counter. Threads one in. A well cut out. No margin for error there at all. Lucas Paqueta. Martinez, unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Shifted upfield. Argentina finding their... Martinez gets through on his own. Lucas Paqueta. Played back to the goalkeeper. Hoisted upfield by the keeper. Di Maria. Now it's Di Maria. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Rodrigo gets his pass away. Always onto this. Gabriel Jesus. He's found a way through. And he's gone backward here. Nice ball, and he's in here. We've reached the midway point in extra time. Yeah, 90 minutes long gone, 15 of an extra 30 have also gone, and the search for a winner is still on. Truly, this is a punishing game on bodies and heads and minds. The outstanding question, the only question, is there still room for one last bit of drama? And we are already back underway. Well, this really has been an epic encounter, and there are some tired limbs out there. How much more can the players give? Oh, great ball! Oh, what a mistake! Great chance! Yes, he's got it! And that has raised the roof! position was perfect, the invitation was there for him, and his response absolutely clinical.
That's just a great finish, but it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on a training ground. He knew exactly where he wanted the ball, and it all came good.
Argentina get themselves into the lead.
I think what we've just seen is further evidence of their resilience and fantastic belief. I mean, they can always come through. Remarkable.
And here's Neymar. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Now it's to Paul. Well timed, excellent interception. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior is off. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Danilo considers his options. And this an opportunity to pull level. Decent hit from there. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. He's in plenty of space here. And a shot!
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Rodrigo. Challenge just a bit on the firm side.
I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
And Messi! Hits it! And that should do it! Within sight of the finish line.
Argentina clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
Two up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see them.
And there goes the final whistle.